Hey guys, I'm going to teach you how to play Gorilla Tag. So let's go. Okay, so I'm going to teach you how to run. So instead of going like this, you want to go like one arm like this. See my arm like that? Why is my arm going like that? So don't go like this. You just want to go like that. But stretching your arms longer, and don't push yourself up while you're doing it. Now I'm going to teach you how to do the slide juke. So first, while doing the run, you want to jump up, make your arm like go right here, and then after your arm is right there, you want to push yourself back like that. Now I'm going to teach you how to pinch climb. So it's really easy. All you got to do is pinch it, push yourself up, push yourself up, pinch it, push yourself up, pinch it, push yourself up, pinch it, push yourself up, pinch it. Alright, so that's easy. Let me do it again. Pinch, push yourself up, pinch, push yourself up, and keep doing it until you get better at it. Now I'm going to teach you how to do the double walls. So basically, you got to put your arm on there, push yourself to the side and up. So, yeah, it's really simple. I'm going to teach you how to wall climb and wall run now. So, say you're trying to wall climb, but you can't get it. Focus, go like this, and put yourself on the walls. Twist your body with it so that you can get your arm on it easier. Whichever hand is going next, you want to put your body in that same direction. So, let's say, so basically, you want to go like this. Don't push yourself up. It's kind of like the double walls. Now, after you're better at that, putting your arms on the walls, you can push yourself up, and then you got wall climbing. Yeah. Now to wall run, you gotta wall climb up as high as you want, put your arm like that, and then push yourself forward. Don't go like that. I mean, if you want to get to like there from here, that's possible. But you just want to push yourself up and forward. So, put your hand like this. I'm going to teach you how to branch now. So, basically, branching is just like, oh yeah, and by the way, stump and treehouse tree are not the same as the other trees, since every tree is the same. So, there's two trees as soon as you exit stump. That one and that one. This is the route I usually take. Go from here, and then I just go anywhere I want with that branch. That's right there. Or, bruh. You can go from here. I'm going to teach you how to get onto stump now. So basically, remember the double walls? You want to do that exact same thing. I believe I can fly. Alright. So, guys, I hope that you guys learned something from this video. Make sure to tag that subscribe and like button. Comment down below what should I do next in this video. Peace.